So I decided just because it's Lady Gaga that I'm gonna try this out, and the reason I'm saying that is because the color that I have is not a color that I would have chosen. Today we're gonna try and review this HAUS Labs Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer eyeshadow. This one is in the color Dynasty. You guys got BoxyCharm. Most of us probably received this. Maybe you got a different shade, and if you did get another shade, you are so lucky. I'm sure somebody's gonna love this shade. It's just not for me. So again, this one is called Dynasty, and I do love the packaging. The first thing I tried was this limited edition Casa Gaga liquid eyeliner. I do have a review on my channel. See the application and how it works. I really wanted to get this before I got it on BoxyCharm. I was of course gonna get another color, but first what I want to see today mostly is let's see how the application is. Like maybe you don't like this color but you want to see how to use it, how it works. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Guys, I have like this waist trainer on and I can barely breathe. I'm here struggling. So this HAUS Labs Laboratory Shimmer Powder. All day wear, flake proof, smear proof, transfer proof, ophthalmology tested, cruelty free, and vegan. Our weightless smudge proof liquid to powder formula is easily layered and blended so your eyes always have the spotlight. Building up creaseless pigment intensity is simple, so you can dial it up or dial it down. Let's open this first of all and let's look at this. So it's like kind of slanted. Can you see that? Let's see if I turn it around for you. So that's interesting. See, it's a bit different than your usual. Let's swatch it first and see. Okay. What is that? Like some gold sparkles in there? It does feel like pretty wet. How to use. So to use as an all-over pigment, oh, we gotta shake this. So shake well, shake, 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 and apply to areas of the face you want to amp up. Go for eyes, what? Go for eyes, lips, cheeks, wherever. Really? Did I just read that right? To use as an eyeshadow, shake well and apply the doe foot applicator directly to the eye area. Control the level of intensity by adding more layers or shear it out with your fingers or eyeshadow brush. To use as an amplifier, shake well and layer it on top of existing products to transform the finish. I can see that working better. Maybe you already have maybe like a darker color or any color. I don't know what combination you would like to do. But I imagine it like with a dark shade and then putting this on top, maybe like only in the middle, something like that. Take this and let's try to put it all over the lid. You know, it was so funny. I was thinking like, should I change my shirt? Because I'm gonna look like Christmas here with the red and green. Let me know what you think is of this shade. Am I the only one that's like, no, it's just not gonna happen? And I just finished reviewing another liquid eyeshadow. What brand was it from? Oh my god, look at that. That is pigmented. Just so you know. I feel like I have to blend this ASAP. I'm gonna start blending it like here in the outer corners. Oh my god, I don't feel like it's blending too well. Like I don't see this thing moving a lot. Like I feel like wherever you applied it, that's where it's staying. I would definitely want to try to blend it at least here in the corners, so it doesn't look like super harsh. You know, they have like, how many colors? I think like 13 colors, and there's some that look so pretty. So I want to see how well does this work. How easy is the application? because I can see it like if it's a color you really like, and it'll be super quick to use then if you just put it and that's all you have to do, you know. It does say that we can layer it, because you see where I'm blending it, now it looks like much more sheer. I like the way the doe foot applicator is shaped though. I think you can do like a really nice shape if you would like. Put it on this other eye now. And I'm gonna try to like apply this faster, I guess, so like I don't let it dry too much. See if we can really like try to blend this. Cause the packaging is cute, but I mean, alright, here. Let's do this. I'm gonna take another brush, try something different. Let's try to blend it out. See that other brand that I tried? Oh my god, why can't I remember? I'm switching this again. What brand was it? Oh, Kosas. You have to see it. Beautiful, beautiful, and it blends seamlessly immediately. You want to be able to blend. I know they said also with your finger, so I'm gonna try that when I try to layer this thing. I'm gonna just put this again, and now I'm gonna use my finger and see if that makes any difference. I don't know, let's see. You really gotta work quickly if you're trying to do any blending at all, because this thing is gonna dry. It barely gives you any time. I mean, even with the finger, I can't, like, why even continue? I don't like this application at all. Sorry, I really didn't want to say like anything negative, because you know I love Lady Gaga, but this is just not besides the color, this is just like a no for me. I'm just gonna apply here because I just have to, even though I'm gonna take this off, but I just didn't want to leave it like that. Oh yeah, I was doing the finger, I forgot. I'm just gonna blend. I mean, is it pigmented? Yes. Very, very, very. But I can't keep repeating myself. It's just the blending is not there. Only if, like, you see right now, I feel like I'm able to blend it a bit more, but you have to do it immediately once you apply it. Don't even take forever to apply. It was a fail. I don't even like to say that, but it's true. But the eyeliner is really good. Trust me. That I can recommend. If you've tried anything else from her and you think that, oh, you gotta try this, tell me please, because I really want to buy more of her stuff. Can't say I recommend. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you out if you got the same thing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.